Similar to the sense of smell, also the sense of taste is not yet used a lot in technical systems. This is why we provide only a very brief overview. Actually, the sense of taste is not completely independent from the sense of smell. There is a mutual influence of both. There are 5 different taste categories or qualities which can be differentiated with individual gustatory receptors. These are the senses for sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and something we call umami or full-bodied. And for 4 of these senses, you see illustrations of where actually the receptors are located on the tongue. You see in the picture behind me. Interestingly, there's only a small part of the taste which is based on the gustatory senses alone. But there is a significant influence also from the sense of smell. And this integration of sense of smell and taste happens in the thalamus, where features are formed in the cerebral cortex. In this list, which you see here, you might miss one very popular taste, which is the taste of hot. Actually, the human sense does not have any receptors for hot, but hot is something which comes from pain signals. Pain signals which are, for example, stimulated by capsaicinoids, that's a chemical substance which stimulates the thermal receptors in the mouth, and these are then sending pain signals to the brain. And the brain tries to relieve this pain by distributing endorphins to decrease it. And this is actually what makes the sense of hot, taste of hot, something very popular, very positive for some people. They like this because they like the endorphins which are distributed by their brains.